Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I just want to show you something that I did. This is not my design. I saw it here on YouTube and I wrote down all the dimensions and stuff like that. And I actually just want to see how long it would actually take me to model this. And it should only take about 15 minutes at the most, but it actually took me 30 minutes to do this. And so that's a little long, but it's just a little cam and the arm here. And yeah, and I wanted to see how long it would take me to do it. And so here it is. And as you can see, when this rotates around, that goes up. It goes all the way around. Like that. So yeah, and let me go ahead and animate it for you. Come over here to Revolute. And that's it. But yeah, I just want to see how long it would take me to do this, and so I did it. So I'm going to show you guys a video of me modeling this, and it's just a speed run to see how long it would take me. And yeah, so if you like this video and my videos, go ahead and hit that like button also. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So yeah, if you want to see me do more speed run type stuff, leave a comment and let me know. And so go ahead and watch the video of me modeling this, and catch you in the next video.
Subscribe for more.